you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received my order from Lunar Beauty. Do you want to know what I got? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I purchased a few things from Lunar Beauty's website because I noticed that they had a brand new eyeshadow palette out, and I'm like, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. Plus, I am like a neutral bitch. I love me some browns and burgundies. So when I saw the palette, I was like, that is definitely right up my alley. So I did buy that, and I bought a few of the new lip oils. And then I think I got one other thing of a lip product. So let's go ahead and see. I'm already wearing the palette. I put that one on, so I will show you how I created this quick and easy look if you want to see that towards the end. But this is how my order came in this box right here. Very well protected. So I wanted you to see like the presentation on how it comes. So it is their Lunar Beauty box. There's bubble wrap. They have the palette that is wrapped up with their Lunar Beauty tissue paper with their logo on it. It is super, super cute. And then I have my 3 different lip products and my packing slip. And again, it is all nice and wrapped and protected. So then opening up the palette, the star of the show, I like the first time I laid eyes on this in person, I was like, wow, this looks so much better in person than how amazing it looked online. So this is the box that it comes in. Super, super pretty. I love the little flowers. I think those are cherry blossoms. And then when we open her up, look at how gorgeous. So this is kind of like the other palette that I absolutely love and I use several times a week, the Eternal Eclipse. And it has like the same like moon that's sticking out, but it's just a different design and different colors. But I absolutely love their packaging, especially with the moons. Like I love their packaging. So when you open this gorgeous package up, I mean, it already looks beautiful from the outside. There is this little guy that I remove. There is a large mirror. It does have a protected film on it. And then the colors, dun, 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 dun. Look at how pretty. So like I said, the first time I laid eyes on these, I'm like, I was super, super shocked and impressed by the color scheme in here. I am actually liking how the lighter colors are down here, darker up here, and then the shimmers are directly in the middle. I kind of really like that. I normally don't use like darker shimmers, so I'll probably only be using maybe these 3 right here. This one definitely. Today I did go in with this Sam, which has like a little bit of like a pink to it to kind of go with the burgundy. When I used the Bloom For You right here in my crease, this turned out more burgundy than I thought. So I definitely am excited that I can do it with a burgundy look, or I can do the one right over and do it with more just browns, straight nudes. Like I love that. I absolutely love that. So let me go ahead and swatch this entire palette for you so you can see all the colors swatched on my skin. Okay, so the way that I did row by row. This top row here is the lightest row, the middle row is all of the shimmers, and then the darkest row is down there. So there's the top row, all these lighter colors right here. So you have so much flexibility in the color variations. And then here are all the shimmers. And then down there are all of the other colors. Kind of hard to show you as it's wrapping around my arm, but there you go. There are all of the colors. Again, I am loving this. I'm so glad that he came out with another palette, and it is just a neutral bitch, and I absolutely love this. Okay, so now let's go over the lip products that I did purchase. So when I saw that this bad boy was brand new and released, there I believe was 3, I think there was 3 lip oils that was released with it. The one that I don't have is the one that I really, really wanted, and it was watermelon scented. I believe one of these was like a peach. I'm not quite sure because this one says expose me and this one says dare me. So let's go with expose me. and their packaging is absolutely gorgeous. You always have like this little moon when you first open it. This is like my favorite packaging when it comes to a lip product. I love how it's like the little, there's like a gem in the top. It's just sparkly. It's just beautiful. It's something that I've never seen before, and they always smell phenomenal. So I love the lip formulas from Lunar Beauty, but again, these are their brand new product. It's the lip oil, so I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Okay, so I think one of them was like a mango or something like that, and I think that's what this one would be, because it smells, I don't think this is the peach one. Ooh, but they feel amazing. I love a good lip oil, and that feels amazing. I am so glad they came out with some lip oils, you guys. Oh my goodness. And it smells absolutely phenomenal. I'm like I'm fanning it up. I can smell it, I don't even have to move it. This one here is a Dare Me, and I believe this one might be the peach one. They look exactly the same. Same colors, same everything, just a different scent. Now I'm confused on which is which. Has the sense? But it just smells really good. Let me see if I can tell when I get them on. Ooh, that smells really good. They both smell amazing. They both feel amazing, and they're just a clear lip oil. So I grabbed two, one to keep in my little vanity area, and then one to keep like wherever else. So I have two different ones, and they're different scents, and I love that. But they do have a watermelon one, which was sold out at the time. So there's that. So I got both of those, and then I did get one color. I do have quite a few different colors. I do not have this one currently, and it looked more of like a nudie neutral, like lighter kind of color. So I wanted to grab this one. It is the Lunar Beauty lip gloss, and it is in Aura. So again, same packaging with the moon when you open it. Now this one has the same concept, but it's a white package. Some of them are black packages. Now some are pink, but the ultimate like end result, they're the same size or the same shape. They all have this little diamond little jewel in the top, and they're just beautiful. And they all smell great too. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Let me get this lip oil off, and then we'll get this one on. Even though it felt amazing. So on my hand right there, that wet spot, that is the lip oil. That was just to show you that there's no color tint to it. And then this one is like a nice like chocolate milky looking color. Ooh, okay, so let's get this on and see what it looks like on these little girls. It might not match with my eye look because I went more with the burgundies today, but yeah, let's see. Actually, I think it does look okay probably with anything. It just gives you a light little bit of color, a nude, like neutral color to my lips, but it didn't change my lip color that much. It smells good, it looks good, they feel good, and I have a slight little bit of color. And again, that one is Aura. So I'm so glad that, again, they came out with a new palette because I absolutely am loving the color story inside of here. And I am so glad that they have lip oils. And now I have another lip gloss to add to my collection. Okay, so after a little bit of eyeliner and mascara, that is my completed quick and easy look using this new palette. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I have for this particular video. Again, I just wanted to show you what I purchased, show you some swatches in case you might have been interested for yourself. I absolutely love Lunar Beauty's formula and all of their eyeshadow palettes, so this was a no-brainer for me, and they knocked it out of the park like their normal amazing formula is. So I love this. Let me know, do you guys have anything from Lunar Beauty? Do you have your eyes set on something? Do you have something in your cart maybe? Let me know all your positive interaction down below. It means the world to me. I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.